Hi, my name is John Bradley. You kind of caught me here in my office. I'm a long-term professor here at Estrella Community College, and long-term is really the truth. I started teaching in 1969, trying to teach mechanics how to fix combine harvesters. Been doing this ever since, and you call it practicing a profession because you never quite get it right. My whole thing is, if I'm doing things right, then the people that I'm trying to help are actually having fun and learning something at the same time. If they're having a difficult time, then I've done something wrong. So anyway, this is my attempt to teach people operations management in a way that's actually easy, fun, useful, leaves them with an operational manual that they can use to start their own business. So anyway, I want to show you the pieces to it. First, it starts with a book. This is the operations side of management. I started with this, and it basically has these chapters. Operations always starts with quality customer service. If you don't take care of customers, nothing else counts. Marketing is not advertising. Marketing is finding something that people really want and need, and then you find a way to deliver that to them. Operations management is actually the most equal of the equals. You have the general managers who's responsible for everything, then you have all these different secondary level people. Well, it gets down to operations is the guy who makes sure that the customers, paying customers, get what they want. What you do then is you design the organization as a way to deliver that without killing people, either yourself or your employees. And then finally it gets down to money. If you don't have money, nothing else counts in business, because you have to cover your operating expenses, even if you're a public entity and you're paying, you're producing services for taxpayers. Then finally, motivation. I spend a lot of time on motivation theories, but it really gets down to a bonus for people who exceed the standards. And those bonuses have to be based on real achievement, not on just dreaming. And they have to be long-term success, not short-term gain, because that's pretty much what's got our economy, the American economy and the world economy in trouble. People gaming systems for short-term personal gain. So anyway, that's the way that works. So here's the workbook, slightly different colors so you don't confuse the two. And it's pretty much the same content. The difference being is what you have to do here is work through and put in the data that makes sense for you in your own particular organization. And here are the online versions of the course. Basically, again, this was developed after the book was written. You can get to the content this way. Basically, you click on Go Back. You click here on the schedule, and all the web pages, again, this is the same as what you would find in the book. There's always a picture which conveys the story, a little text to explain the picture, and then you go. So it's always scan, click, go. Again, the pictures, the web pages are directly taken from the textbook. And then the final thing, of course, is everybody gets to present what they've learned. And the way I'm doing it, if it's a class, it's going to be a capstone presentation. If you were actually trying to get a business started, you would actually do a business plan. But you'll have almost everything you need to produce a business plan and then to present it to somebody. So that's the way the course works. Hope you have fun. Again, if you're learning and enjoying yourself, then I'm doing things right. If you're struggling, then I've got a problem. I haven't learned yet exactly how to teach. Like I say, I'm practicing. I've been practicing this profession for 40 years now. Hopefully someday I'll get it right, and if I ever get it completely right, then I'll retire.